everybody, I'm Bill.
I'm Jill.
And we're preparing our Sonic travel trailer for our summer trip. And we thought we'd take a quick video and walk through and show you our Sonic 234 VBH Bunkhouse travel trailer. We'll start outside. Obviously the front door. We got the awning, which actually has LED lighting underneath the awning. Two outdoor speakers with blue lighting. The blue lighting does carry out and gets the stairs at night, and your outdoor light. Dual axles on the trailer, so it pulls really nice. Got a nice access door out here on the outside that opens up into the bunk area, where we have more storage underneath that we can put stuff, and this bunk actually lifts up. If you have real tall stuff, you can do that. But it makes a nice access point. Coming around to the back, look at your spare tire. It's pre-wired for backup camera, and all the lighting is LED. Also, it came with pre-wiring for if you're on solar that we didn't use, and your satellite cable TV hookups. On the back corner back here, you got your Furon outdoor 30 amp plug. The plug's actually in storage, where we were just at. So on this side, you got your slide out. We have all our water connections. Fill the freshwater tank, city connections, water heater. Actually has an outdoor shower that we can utilize, and it has a tank flush for our gray tank and black tank. Underneath here we got the hookup for dumps, and you get your dump valves for the gray and black tank. They actually even put a gray handle on it to distinguish the two. In the slide out is the kitchen, so this is the back side of the refrigerator vent. Living room windows, we have our stabilizing jacks, and storage here. It's got the magnet up, and it goes all the way through to the other side, so quite a bit of storage that we have going on the outside. This trailer's gross weight is actually 5,200 pounds, so it's a fairly light trailer for a bunkhouse trailer. We actually pull it with a Yukon XL, not my Canyon. It is what I use to get it back and forth from storage. On front here you got your power jack, and we have two 20-pound propane tanks that are up here. And we'll go on inside. Alright, so just inside the front door we have our entertainment center and a lot of your controls for the coach. We have our awning in and out, and our slide for the slide at the kitchen. And then we have some light switches, the LED lights in the awning and the steps. And then we have like our living room light off and on. And then we have the TV is right here with storage above it. It's got a nice fairly deep cabinet right here. And then the TV's all mounted to the wall. We've added a DVD player and an Amazon Dot. Storage under the TV for your remotes. It's got an integrated DVD player, not Blu-ray, but it will Bluetooth your phone for playing music, and then of course it has radio functions. And then just down below all that, we have two more really good size bays for storage there. And then right here is all your fuses and circuit breakers for the... Okay, we're in the kitchen, and in our kitchen for an oven, we got a convection microwave, so you can either do the convect cook or you can do a microwave. Takes a lot of power to do those. And then under the sink we got a good storage. It goes all the way back to the back wall, and so there's quite a bit of storage. You got to go around the pipes and stuff for that. And then up above we have storage above the counter. Got our plates and glasses in there, so we got lots there. And then we put our pots and stuff up here. Quite a bit of storage for it. Window, got a fan above the stove, and a window up here, and outlet. Pretty good counter space behind, and then they have a cover on the sink. We have a two-burner stove. It has this glass cover, so you get your counter space when you're not using the stove, and then it does function as a nice backsplash to keep everything from behind it getting greasy. It has a cover on the sink, and it's actually a two different sink bays. It's kind of small, but it works out pretty decent. It is plastic sink and a plastic faucet. Alright, we have our Norcold refrigerator. This is a very standard size for a RV. It's very easy to use. It just has an on and off button. It's all fully automatic. If you're on 120, it runs off electrical. If it loses the 120, it automatically switches to propane, and it no temperature controls or anything. It's on or off, and it works pretty good. Okay, so in the main living room here, we have a couch for us to sit on, and this storage underneath. And if we fold this up, it actually has a hide table and a couple chairs. We can put that inside or outside, and you can set up your table for an additional eating area right here in the main part of the coach. Lots of storage. We got wardrobes, his and hers. You got hangers in here, and then it goes pretty deep. I can put my arm all the way back in here to get to the back wall. So you got quite a bit of storage there. Got above storage up in here, same in that one, and that one is the same as this one. So you get quite a bit of storage right in here. And then behind here we have the Murphy bed. So it's got a height of bed. It's a queen bed. So when it's bedtime, we just fold down the couch till it's level, unhook this, and then it just folds out. And out with the mattress, and then we have our queen bed. Inside of the bed area, it actually has USB ports right here. It's got a couple lights. These are just push on, off, a 120 plug, and little shelves for your phone if you like to keep it near you. And then once in the morning, once you're up and you want this back to a living space, it's a real easy. We just make it, leave it made, push the mattress up, this goes up, latch it, and then you just fold out your couch and you're ready to go. Right, so in the bathroom here, vanity cabinet, got some storage inside here. You got your sink. It's all plastic. It is a little low. Maybe we'll change that out in a future. And then the other thing we have in here in the bathroom is we have tank heater, your water pump, electric water heater, and gas water heater. Also has all your tank fills, all our black tank, gray, fresh water, and a power plug. Underneath the sink, we got another storage unit that you have right in here, under there. So a little bit of extra storage, and storage by the toilet, and under the toilet, the regular toilet with foot flush. And we have skylight, a ceiling fan. This is another one of our lights that is just push on and off, and it actually is hooked to the switch in here. It is a shower and a little tub, so with little kids it's really nice for that. In the back here we have our bunkhouse, and in the bunkhouse you can see over here we got the it's a dinette. It's a small little dinette. We actually sit here with the kids a little bit, and a window that opens up, and it will fold down into a bunk. And then on the other side, that's the door from outside that you can bring storage in. But you got your top bunk and the bottom bunk, and they have their own push button lights for those bunks. And then above the dinette is this, that's another bunk. And this bunk you can pull out the little pins and it'll drop down for sleeping, and you push it up so you have your headroom at night. And then we have a hookup for TV and a power plug. And then the only other ventilation in here is there is a vent hood here that you can open up, but it does not have a fan in it. Well, that's our travel trailer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Did do a bunch of upgrades. So we have solar upgrade and batteries and tires and a few of those things. So we'll do some videos on that, and so look for future videos on that. For now, we'll see you later.